How to buy Theta crypto coin on Binance website. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Theta coin on Binance in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Binance as you can see here, and this is the home page. Now you have to go to markets here in the top, click on it like this and go down, search for Theta here and you will find it. If you didn't, just go here and search for it like this, and here is it. And here is it. Yeah, click on Theta and it will take you to this page. Now choose the amount of Theta that you want to buy, for example 50, and make sure this is on buy. And now you will find the buy now option here if you are logged into your account, and then you will be able to buy it in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video.